so this is the transverse section of cucumber. Now, the type of placentation in cucumber is basically a parietal kind of. Now, why parietal? Because parietal is equal to a periphery. That means an inner boundary. So basically, ovules are basically adjacent to the inner wall of the single ovary. But actually, the single ovary is made up of 3 fused carpels, or can say 3 individual ovaries of individual carpels. Yes, exactly. In the cucumber flower, the condition of carpel is basically a tricarpellary syncarpels. That means there are 3 carpels which are fused to each other in cucumber flower. So as you can see here, this is a single ovary wall which is made up of the fusion of 3 individual carpels. So here is the ovary wall. Inside of the, or can say the inner wall of ovary, there is attachment of these ovules, and that's why the placentation is parietal kind of placentation. And as you can see over here, there are 3 different chamber like structure. One is this, second one is this one, and third one is this one. Let me zoom in so you can just clearly see that. I don't think so you people are able to see that clearly, but I'm just trying to see you show you the things. Okay, so let's say this part, this part, as you can see over here, this is the basically false septum, which is formed by the fusion of 2 adjacent ovary. Let me just clarify more. This is the single ovary, this is another, and this is third one. So if we talk about the locule, or can say locular condition within the single ovary, then the locular condition is basically unilocular. What you can see over here is multilocular condition, but falsely multilocular condition. Now why? Because there is a false, or can say the septum has formed due to the fusion of 2 adjacent ovaries. But individually, the ovarian locular condition is basically a unilocular. So yes, if we talk about the flower in cucumber is basically a tricarpellary syncarpels, and the kind of placentation in cucumber is parietal because the ovules are arranged at the periphery, or can say the inner wall of ovary. And if we talk about the locular condition, then locules over here is basically a unilocular, but it is falsely multilocular. Why? Because we see the false septums that was created due to the fusion of 2 adjacent ovaries. Right, so that's it for today. Stay tuned for such interesting or informative videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day.